Tonight, we're hearing from the family of Charleena Lysles, a woman shot to death by Seattle police officers in 2017 after the city reached a $3.5 million settlement in her wrongful death lawsuit. Tonight, family members say it's just the beginning of their path to closure.
Fox 13's Jennifer Lee has the story tonight.
We are forever traumatized by what happened on June 18, 2017.
4 years after her death at the hands of SPD, Charleena Lysles' family says they can finally begin healing. Their attorneys say today's settlement recognizes the value of her life.
And I just think about someone so weak and so vulnerable. Her children, all she wanted to do was protect them. And they shot to kill her. They didn't shoot to wound her. They shot to kill her dead.
Lysles was killed back in June of 2017. Lawyers say the pregnant mom of 4 children was experiencing a mental health crisis when she called police to report a burglary at her apartment. Seattle police officers Anderson and McNew responded, and police claim she charged at them with knives. Court documents say the 30-year-old was shot 7 times. Lawyers argue that officers could have taken less lethal action.
Why didn't you defuse this situation before you had to shoot a pregnant mother of 4 in front of 3 of her children? She barely weighed 100 pounds.
A spokesperson with the Seattle City Attorney's Office says, quote, "It is indisputable that this has been a tragedy and we are glad to have some level of closure for the parties. We stand by the multiple layers of review of this event and are pleased that the officers will be dismissed from the lawsuit. The remaining parties will be mutually seeking judicial approval for a resolution of all claims." The Seattle Police Department released a statement saying, quote, "We too stand by the multiple layers of review this case has undergone and hope that this resolution brings closure to all in our community affected by this incident, especially to Ms. Lysles' children, extended family, and to the officers involved." Lysles leaves behind 4 children who are now between 5 to 16 years old.
I just want to say no amount of money will bring my mom back. I appreciate the money. It helps us with, we won't get my mother's emotional support.
I still want criminal liability that has yet to happen for our family, for the officers who murdered my cousin.
An inquest is slated for the case, which means a panel will look for the facts into the causes and circumstances of Lysles' death at the hands of law enforcement. The King County Prosecuting Attorney's Office says the results could help determine if criminal charges are filed.
Continue to keep her name alive. Continue to say her name because it matters.
In Seattle, Jennifer Lee, Fox 13 News.
The civil case was scheduled to go to trial in February before the settlement was reached.